Dear students, as all of you knows that UGC make it mandatory for PhD students to learn about research ethics, that is plagiarism. So according to the circular of UGC, all the higher education institutions which are affiliated to UGC, it has approved a 2-credit course on ethics and misconduct of publication. The title is Research and Publication Ethics. This is the 30-hour course need to be made mandatory for all PhD students for pre-registration coursework in the universities. So this course is also available on SWAYAM platform. So on SWAYAM platform, this course is available on the name of Research and Publication Ethics. So the students who are pursuing PhD coursework, they can enroll into this online SWAYAM course. The layout of this course is, the duration is of 8 weeks and it is 2-credit course. The weekly distribution, syllabus wise, module wise is given, which included philosophy and ethics, scientific conduct, publication ethics, open access publishing, publication misconduct, database and research matrices, regulations of UGC 2018 on academic integrity. After that, at the end, revision is here. So accordingly, this is a 2-credit course. The students can enroll into this course. After enrolling in this course, there are material also which is available. The contents are in the form of videos as well as PDFs. So all the course material is available week wise. So the course is distributed according to different week. So the course may be useful for the PhD students as they can earn 2 credit from SWAYAM-MOOC. So this course has total 6 modules as per the description, and which throws light on the philosophy of science and ethics, research integrity, publication ethics, and identifying the research misconduct and predatory publication, etc. So when we will look on week-wise schedule, so different modules are given like philosophy and ethics, introduction to philosophy. Likewise, similarly, different weeks have different modules. So there are publication ethics in week 2nd, which you can open and see the contents. This content can be downloaded and taken out the printout for the further reference. Similarly, there are some videos also which are available. The students can make benefit out of it. So you can see this PDF is available under this module, which is related to publication ethics, and accordingly the publication ethics, its definition, conflict of interest, best practices, predatory journals, and some other concepts are elaborated in this. So this can be downloaded by the student and further it can use for reference. Not only this, the videos are also available to watch. So you can see that different weeks cover different modules regarding e-text research and publication ethics, different type of the publication misconduct, ethical issues in various disciplines, fabrication, falsification and plagiarism, authorship definition, etc. So it covers the whole syllabus which is prescribed by UGC. So there are some other courses also related to research and publication ethics, which are provided at SWAYAM platform.